Alright guys, so we're now heading into the Kayaba to get us some dinner. Well, right now I'm alone, but let's see what we can get. Alright, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get something at the bar today?
At the bar, do you have like Moscato?
Not at the bar.
What?
Purchase, yes.
What?
The purchase, yes, but not at the bar.
Okay, what do you have at the bar? Alright, I'm quite certain you guys are not able to see me very well. Again, low light situations, but over time I'm doing this, you know, it will be improved. Anyhow, we are here at the I am here at the Kayaba restaurant right now. Judah is not feeling so well.
She's kinda not here.
Hopefully she'll be able to join me a little bit later on. If not, she can always just order food for room service. Me personally, once I go to a hotel, I don't like being in a hotel room if I don't have to, and I like the restaurant setup. I can hear the ocean from that side. I can feel, you know, the openness of everything, so that's good. I just got some sparkling water. I like that and everything, and that's also really cool that it comes in the all-inclusive package. As I did mention before, it's not quite my favorite, but it is a good package if you're looking to know that your money is spent at one point and there's nothing more to spend. At the last hotel that we were at, just to get 2 glasses of sparkling water was already $8. This is already included in my entire fee. So that's pretty good to know that that's a setup there. Anyhow, I don't need me to bore you guys too much. I had the waitress start whipping up some special drink. I don't know exactly what I want, so when it comes I'll tell you guys how exactly that tastes, and then I'll just have some dinner and hopefully Judah gets to join me. Thank you very much. Now, when I'm at a restaurant, something I always look forward to is the bread, because if they will start you out with something complimentary that tastes very, very good, it's often a good sign that the restaurant itself could be very particular with how they make their dishes, and that they take a lot of detail in making sure that it's very good. All right, let's see. Very soft, not bad at all, not bad. All right, so this drink is by the waitress. It's an Althea special, she said, so I'm gonna try it really quick. I guess we can just mix everything in. It's pretty good. I can taste orange juice. What I like about it, it's not too sweet. The alcohol is not too strong either. It's definitely a creeper, and it tastes really nice. Very tropical. Good job, Althea. Alright, so Judah also agrees with me that this bread is very good, yeah?
You said that earlier. You said that earlier?
Yeah, the bread is really good. Alright guys, so dinner was great. If I was to give the dinner a rating out of 10, I would say somewhere around 7.5 to 8. Main reason being, I mean, you can try different meals at one price point. I definitely really enjoyed that. The first thing that we had on the dish was sancocho. I know sancocho is from Colombia. It's usually similar to the Jamaican dish chicken soup or whatever the case is. This was without chicken, but it was really good. Judah had 2 bowls, I had 1. And then, what else did we have? We had this kind of sirloin steak or whatever the case was. That was pretty good. It was really small, so then we opted to have something else. I did try the mahi. You guys know I'm not really a big fan of fish, but omega-3, so why not? That was okay. Judah had the jerk pork. It wasn't like the traditional jerk pork from the pan chicken man or whatever, but it was pretty decent. The dessert I really liked. It was this kind of chocolate cake thing. It was really good. I did enjoy that. And yeah, Judah's cheesecake was pretty good as well. So yeah, that basically wrapped up the dinner. The experience here so far is very, very, very good. This place as an accommodation for me already, nowhere is perfect, but I would give it a 10 at this moment. And in terms of the food, yeah, we're looking 7.5 to 8. And of course, as I said, it's an all-inclusive, so you know you can have as much food as you want. So it doesn't really matter how good the food tastes, because you know they're cooking in bulk and you can have different dishes. So that is what it is. Anyway, I don't know how the night is going to end. I think Judah, with her long belly, needs to go somewhere else tonight to another... Judah want to go damn somewhere else. So, listen, I explained it to them. I did say it. No big deal. They know. Anyway, guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. If you guys appreciate videos,
is that too much?
If you guys appreciate videos like these, remember to drop a like on the video. And again, big shout out to my patrons. I enjoy making these videos for you guys so you can see, you know, what these places could be like or how they look, you know. So that way, whenever you come into Jamaica, you don't have to be spending on something that maybe you do not enjoy. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, you see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.